Hey everyone, this is Arun, and in this video, I'm providing the question solution of this problem. Davison Construction Company is building a luxury lakefront home in the Fingers Lakes region in New York. Coordination of the architect and subcontracts will require a major effort to meet the 44-week, approximately 10-month completion date requested by the owner. So here in this question, they have provided a project network, and in the table, they have provided four columns: activity, optimistic, most probable, pessimistic. And these all are the values of each and every row. Then in this question, they have asked the question into five parts. In A part, we need to find the critical path. Then in the second part, we need to provide them the expected project completion time. Then part C, D, and E, they are also requiring for 44 weeks estimated probability. And then in the part D, the estimated probability, the building project could run more than 3 months, then we need to use 57 weeks for this calculation. And then what should be the construction company tell the owner? So in this question, I already solved it using Excel formulas. So here, this is my Excel setup. Here is the mean time can be calculated by this formula, and the variance, this is a variance formula. Then in part A, we have a table setup for optimistic, most probable, and pessimistic. This one is our activity. Then I have provided the expected time with the variance associated with it. Then again, we have the activity. Then the latest start, earliest start. They are all the columns that have been defined, and then the critical activity associated with each of the activity. Then this is our critical path, final value based on the critical activity. And then this is our part B. Then this one is our part C. Then this one is our part D, and finally part E. So I have solved this question using formulas, and definitely this is the verified solution. And if you have any more questions apart from that, you can definitely reach me out. And for this Excel file, if you need this Excel file, how the formula is set up and all how it's working, you can directly reach me out over my WhatsApp and Gmail address that I will be providing you in the description part of this video. And if you have any more questions, or if you're stuck in any assignment, uh, which is, I mean, very early, or you need to submit it early, then you can definitely reach me out. I will not take much time and will deliver you the solution, the problem solution. And I'm providing the solutions with 100% verified. So you will definitely get 100% marks. Maybe 90 to 90, between maybe 95 to 100%. But yeah, that's true, because I have many students, and they are, I mean, very happy with the solutions that I provide with them if they stuck in any problem. So this is the solution. So we will very talk soon for the Excel file. And if you have any questions, then definitely you will be reaching out to me. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like this video, and do give me a subscribe, and thank you for everything. And have a great day. Take care. Bye. We'll talk soon.